Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to discuss on the error too many attempts try again later on TikTok and how to fix it. Now first, we're going to clear the cache on TikTok, so to do that, just go to your settings page right here, go to General, click on iPhone Storage, and this should show all the list of apps you have on your phone, and just wait for it to load. Now click on TikTok right here and click on Offload App. So offloading the app will clear the cache on TikTok and clear some of the unnecessary files within it and hopefully fix the error. So just click on Offload and Offload App again, and it will delete the app but keep its documents and data. And once you have offloaded it, just reinstall the TikTok app and try to log in again, and hopefully the error will not pop up. If that still does not work, we can download a certain app. So just go to your app store right here, search for Turbo VPN. This one, click on that and just install it. So I have it installed already, so I'm just going to open it right over here. And what we're going to do is to connect to a certain server so that TikTok will let us log in. Just going to click on allow. So let's click on this little caret icon to connect to a certain VPN. So just type in your iPhone passcode so that it will be connecting to a certain VPN, and then you should be connected. Once you have connected, you can then go back to TikTok right here and try to log in again with your phone or any accounts you have linked to your TikTok, and hopefully that error will be fixed already and you will be logged into your TikTok account. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.